Brad Hayden said Australia's new fielding coach. Cricket Australia has set the first wicket-keeper. Bennetten Bread Head of the Australian cricket team's new fielding coach. According to Cricket Australia, Brad Hayden has been appointed the team's new fielding coach instead of Gregory. Australia's former wicket-keeper Bassmanine will continue to perform his duties by 2019 and will tour the Australian squad during the tour Bangladesh. It's time that cricketers return to the field again. The salary dispute, the negotiations failed, cancelled the Australian team visit. More than 200 Australian cricketer became unemployed. Clearly, former fielding coach Greg Blouse resigned from his position to work with South Australia. According to the AFP news agency, Brad Hayden has won the honour of representing the country in 66 tests, 126 one-day and 34 T20 international matches. 39-year-old Brad Hayden will be headed by the Australian head coach. He has also coordinated the Australian team after being retired for the Pakistan Super League team Islamabad United after retirement in the year 2015. According to news reports, Brad Hayden said in his statement that it is an honour to honour the Australian team's fielding coach. He further said that youngsters are excited to get the opportunity to work with players. Former wicket-keeper said that I am very grateful to the Cricket Australia who has trusted me. The Australian team will play a one-day series after India will play 2 test matches against Bangladesh during August and September, after which India will play the Ashes series from the end of the year at the end of the year.